Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy.
Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy.
Hello, student.
Hello, student.
What's your name?
My name is
How old are you?
I'm 2.
Are you 3?
Me.
Okay. Now, can you tell me, where is the cat? Where's the cat? Very good. What does the cat say?
Meow.
Meow. Where's the dog? What does the dog say? Where is the pig? Where is the pig? Where's the pig? What does the pig say? Oink, 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 oink. Where's the monkey? What does a monkey say? What is that?
Cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, moo. Very good. Now, can you sing a song? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet at home? At home? Do you have a dog? Do you have a frog? Do you have a cat at home? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.